Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a dessert that's truly fit for royalty, the Shahi Tukda. It's a rich, indulgent Indian bread pudding soaked in saffron syrup and creamy milk topped with nuts and full of festive flavor. Whether you serve it warm or chilled, it's guaranteed to impress. And the best part, it's surprisingly easy to make. So let's jump right in. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. Feel free to pause and get them together. I will also link this recipe below, so feel free to check my blog if you need to. First, take 10 to 12 slices of sandwich bread and remove the crusts. Then cut each slice diagonally into 4 triangles. If you have time, let them air dry overnight on a baking tray, as this helps them soak up less oil while frying. Now heat some ghee or a neutral oil like canola oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the bread slices until they are golden and crispy on both sides. Then place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. I fry some pieces to a darker color to add a little color and contrast, but that's optional. And if you don't want to fry and want a lighter version, you can bake or air fry the bread until golden and crisp. Now for the sugar syrup, in a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and a few saffron strands. Bring to a boil, then turn off the heat and set aside. Next, for the saffron milk, we will make our almond paste. Blend 1/4 cup of almonds with 1/4 cup of water to make a smooth paste. Now add 1 cup of whole milk to a saucepan. Next, add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And then add the almond paste to it. Next, add a few strands of saffron and half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Bring this mixture to a boil and then simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens slightly. Stir occasionally to keep it smooth and then remove from heat and let it cool slightly for 15 to 20 minutes. Now to assemble the Shahi Tukda, dip each piece of fried bread into the syrup for just a few seconds, enough to soak up flavor but not go soggy, and then set this aside. Now pour some of the slightly cooled milk into your serving tray. This will help to arrange the bread slices easily in your tray. Now start arranging the bread slices. And drizzle any leftover syrup over the bread slices. Pour the milk mixture generously over the syrup-soaked bread slices and let it sit for a few minutes so that the bread soaks up all of that creamy goodness. Garnish with chopped pistachios, slivered almonds, and a few extra saffron strands if you like. You can serve it warm or chill it in the fridge to enjoy cold. Either way, it's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you tried this. I would love to hear how it turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!